Are you tired of listening to us talk?
Well, yes.
I don't blame you. So occasionally, we're going to ask you some questions.
My name is Ilya Sedler, and along with the guys behind me, we got Frank, Matt, John, and Alvin. We are Team Supertroop. We've been racing since about 2011. When we first started out, it was just us and our wives and our girlfriends. Two of our team members have had, I guess, like 3 kids each now, and we bring them to the track. We love having them out there, and we love the whole Lemons experience. So we originally started racing Lemons because, we're car guys. We like wrenching on cars, we like being at the track, and we like going fast. That's obviously what everybody gets into it for. But Meow, we really continue racing because of the fun and welcoming atmosphere at the track. And let's be honest, we really like the themes. It's a whole lot more fun to be at the track, and it's a whole lot easier to start a conversation with a new person that you've never met if, let's say, that new person is dressed as a Boy Scout from Troop 302 and they're International Scout. Or let's say it is Guy Fiero in the Fiero of Failure Town theme. Or let's say it's the Party Rock team and they are pulling a giant hot tub across the paddock and passing out free drinks at night. That whole thing really contributes to the atmosphere. Now here's the thing, for our part, we also try to do the theme pretty well, and we actually do it so well that we got a shout out from the cast of Super Troopers 2.
All right, Meow. Looks like we got some dumb mother in a Mercury Zephyr out there calling themselves Team Supertroop.
Your bear runs all around the pits and even gets chased by the race car. You guys get out there and shake and bake! Shake and bake.
Our car is a 1978 Mercury Zephyr. Meow, hold on there, Internet. I know what you're saying. Ilya, why you ruin classic? But let me tell you, that Zephyr right there actually is a great Lemons car. The Zephyr sits on a Fox chassis, so that means it's compatible with all sorts of Mustang parts out there. Our donor car is a 1990 Mustang. So what we did is we took that engine transmission out of the 5-liter Mustang, and we even took the front cross member. That whole system just bolted right into the Mercury Zephyr from 1978. Because Fox body. For 15 years, from 1978 to 1993, Ford was like, oh yeah, that's good, don't touch it. The team really has accomplished some great things. The car has won B. It's come in second overall. It's been a contender for the top spot quite a lot. By Meow, you can really tell that our team really loves, what was that one restaurant with all the goofy stuff on the walls? Shenanigans? Oh, that's right, Shenanigans. So I think my biggest win is winning the Dangerous Homemade Technology Award in Sonoma. I actually have the trophy right here. So for those that don't know, we made a 16-foot long mustache-shaped seesaw. And this thing was super duper sketchy. It did not have handlebars, it didn't have a seat, it didn't have a seat belt, and the ends of the mustache were super pointy, so when they were going left and right, it was kind of a hazard. Couple hours into the race, Jay comes running over and he's like, you guys, you gotta stop. And we're like, why? Because Jay says the insurance company saw the mustache ride and they said, you can't do that. My biggest win is doing something so crazy and so out there that even Lemon said no. So our biggest fail actually happened in Buttonwillow. It was hot. I mean, I'm talking outside temperatures of 115-ish, surface track temperatures, this temperature of the sun. It was a scorcher, right? We start racing, things are going okay. As it's heating up, the car starts acting a little funny. And this is the same configuration we ran for the past few races. So like, okay, let's diagnose it, let's figure it out, let's keep going. Turns out that when we were running in normal weather, our little diaphragm clicky-clacky electrical fuel pump was giving us half a PSI to the carburetor. And when things got hot, that little fuel pump couldn't do anymore. And we thought it was a bad fuel pump, so we kept replacing it over and over again, but it was just the mechanical limitations of that fuel pump. So, good news, Meow, we have a really nice fuel system. And since we were so mad at those damn fuel pumps, and we had so many of them, we did a team building event where we went to the desert and we shot them with shotguns. If I had unlimited budget and money and time, I would build a twin engine Audi TT. Because I think I remember in the early 2000s, they made one. I think it was on Top Gear even. And this thing is like, it was lightning quick. And still Audi TT had a scoop on the back for the air intake for the rear one. They might have raced it. I just have flashbacks of this thing. And at this point, with the huge depreciation of old German vehicles, hey, this build actually might be possible. So thank you very much for having me. As I said before, our favorite part of Lemons is really how welcoming and how fun it is at the track. And if you see us out there, come over and say hi. We'd love to meet you. We'd love to exchange some stories. To us, that's what really makes Lemons awesome. Meow.
Every second you don't subscribe or watch one of these videos, another Vega is sent to the crusher. Won't you help us save Classic?